Hello and Kusuzangpo to Dspace Bhutan. In today's video, we will learn how to use clipping mask in a creative way. As you can see, I have opened a photo of two plain juice can. Now we will apply some label to it. To begin with, duplicate the layer by clicking Ctrl plus J. As you can see, I have duplicated the layer. Now click on File, Open and select a Coke label photo. Now drag the Coke label layer over the can layer. Make sure the Coke label layer is between the original and the duplicate layer of the can. Make a copy of the label layer as well by clicking Ctrl plus J. Disable the top layers. Now select the Coke label layer and reduce its opacity until the can becomes visible. Press Ctrl plus T to open the transformation tool and adjust the label to the size and length of the Coke can. Click on tick sign after the adjustment. Right-click on the label layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Now enable the copy layer of the Coke cover and repeat the same process for another can. And increase the opacity. After this, enable the top copy layer of the can and choose its blending option as linear burn. Reduce its opacity until it looks good. Now let's change the blending option of the cover layers by right-click. Change the underlying layer points to bring back the details of the can. Don't forget to hold Alt while dragging the points. Repeat the same for the copy layer as well. Finally, let's add a background. Click on this icon and choose solid color. Select any color of your choice and click OK. Drag the color fill layer to the bottom and you are done. If you want to export the image, click on File, Export and select as Quick PNG. Thank you and do leave a like.